The data visualization presentation video by Sanjays DV doing an NFQ Level 9 PG Diploma in Data Analytics at National College Ireland, Dublin. This video is meant to be viewed in conjunction project report shown here on the right, this one that you can see. The visualization tool used is Tableau Desktop version 9.0.3. The data used is a publicly available data on food hygiene ratings scheme provided by Camden Council in the United Kingdom. The original data contained 32 variables covering all business establishments located within the borough of Camden, assigning them rating scores for their level of hygiene, structural soundness, confidence in management, and overall rating, among others. It also contained many useful details such as postcodes of each business, what type of business they are, and a unique hygiene rating identifier code for each audited premise. The latitudes and longitudes provided in the data made it very conducive for rendering with the map facility built within Tableau and provided for some spectacular visualizations. This report analyzes the data in great detail and extrapolates numerous results which are quite interesting. Some of those results are then uploaded in Tableau to create various visualization sheets and dashboards. These sheets and dashboards have a business use for professionals, but will also facilitate simple understanding of a complex data even to people who are not fully familiar or not au fait with data analytics. Purpose of data visualization, right? Conveying complex information in an easy to understand manner. So let's jump straight and discuss this visualization. I now have the Tableau open, and this is the data source page. This page here shows the geographic dispersion of average hygiene scores scored by the business types. And this is the business types itself. So basically shops, schools, hotels, B&Bs, they're all represented by different dots here. As you can see, a great concentration of reds, which are B&Bs, and browns, which are pubs and restaurants. So Southern Camden is essentially emerging as a hotspot for kind of hospitality industry and that kind of in the Camden log, because that is where this open market on the street is usually located. So from that, now we are about to move into the actual bar graph, which shows how the various business sectors performed on average structural scores. And evidently you can see that the distributors and transporters, they have the highest score for average structural score. Matrix of hygiene standards are probably used for those, so those must be pretty exacting, otherwise there's no other way you would think that the hospitals didn't score too well on hygiene. Maybe there are different parameters for them. So now this is showing a combination of all the factors taken together, so that kind of becomes a ball. Now it's kind of taking the overall rating, and that has been calculated by using a weighted method formula in Excel sheet. Distribution of all the measures in a geographical way, but the stack bar takes all the three metrics like hygiene, structural, confidence in management, and property rating scores in one simple straight bar and splits it up. So when you do that, the normalization shows them put together into one stack bar. That's how it is going so far. The only data that had a time variable in my work was the Tableau time variant distribution of and therefore it is a continuous kind of a stacked trend line bar, which shows how deteriorated over the years. Most of them, the most dramatic improvement is in the hospital, childcare, and caring premises. As you can see here, it's kind of peaking in 2016, which indicates that they are kind of coming up big way, whereas these down here you see the ball representation, and you can literally isolate the balls and see that these are for hotels, bed and breakfast kind of businesses, and here again it is possible to isolate. So for example, now I have isolated other catering businesses, and it is just showing the combination of the other catering businesses and their respective locations. So comparison of the trends of average hygiene scores, distribution by profitability, distribution by business type, and distribution by dining and clubbing pubs. So here again, if I wanted to bed and breakfast, and you can again view it from this page also on the kit, and that's your B&B there. So I'll actually show you the little view from the roadside of which place we are trying to view here. Okay, oops, the bus is obstructing, but yeah, here we still have a little glimmer of a view of the hotel in concern. So this is kind of bringing me to the next thing which is showing all the averages at a glance. Now this is the combination, and again this lets you isolate your various metrics from here. If I just move this to the left, so that is why this visualization can be considered as a highly interactive one. And I have prepared these 3 dashboards which are extremely user friendly, and they do various kind of things for you. So this is all the things that you can see at a glance. So you can see it is not just good for specialists, but even lay people can, just by the click of a few clicks, drill down to a very granular level on this database. And that brings me to the end of my video presentation. I would like to thank you for watching.